Good morning, students. I hope you all are well, good, fit, fine at home, and you all are in touch with your books also. So today we are starting with a new chapter, the anonymous turnip. Okay, anonymous means a very big. All right. Once upon a time, an old man planted some turnip seeds. The turnip seeds grew. The turnip seeds grew and grew. I want to pull up the enormous turnip, said the old man. The old man pulled and pulled, but it could not pull up the enormous turnip. Now here, this chapter is about a turnip. It's like a fruit. It is like a vegetable also. Okay. So an old man had planted it, and it grew big and big and big. So big that the old man was not able to pull that fruit from the ground. वो इतना बड़ा हो चुका था, that fruit, vegetable, whatever you all say, वो बहुत बड़ा हो चुका था, and it was not coming out from the ground. An old woman came. I want to pull up that enormous turnip, said the old man. As he was pulling out that plant, and he was not able to pull, an old lady passing by from there, she saw that, and that old man told her that I'm trying my level best to pull it out from the ground, but it is not coming out. I will help you, said the old woman. The old man and the old woman pulled and pulled, but they could not pull up the enormous turnip. Both the old man and the old lady. Now the old lady went to help the man to pull that turnip out from the ground, and they both are trying their level best to remove that turnip from the ground, but they were not able to because वो इतना बड़ा था. A boy came. We want to pull up that enormous turnip, said the old woman. I will help you, said the boy. Now as this old man and the old lady were trying their level best to pull it out from the ground, and they were not able to pull it out, a boy was passing by from there. He said that I will help you in removing that turnip from the ground. The old man and the old woman and the boy pulled and pulled, but they could not pull up the enormous turnip. How bad luck! The old man, the old lady, and now even the boy tried his level best. यानी ये तीनों कोशिश कर रहे थे वो टर्निप को उस जमीन से निकालने के लिए from the ground, but they were not able to remove it out. They were not able to pull it out. वो खींच ही नहीं पा रहे थे, इतना बड़ा वो टर्निप था. A girl came. We want to pull up that enormous turnip, said the boy. I will help you, said the girl. Now as these three people were trying to pull that turnip from the ground. Now the old man, the old lady and the boy. But they three were also not able to remove it from the ground. And a girl was passing by. The boy says that we are trying our level best, but we are not able to remove the turnip from the ground. So here the girl is saying, ki don't worry, I will help you all in pulling the turnip. The old man and the old woman and the boy and the girl pulled and pulled. Up came the enormous turnip. The girl, the old man, the old lady, the boy and the girl, these four people tried their level best, जोर लगा के उस टर्निप को जमीन से निकाल दिया. Okay, We will help you to eat the enormous turnip, said the old woman and the boy and the girl. And they did it. Now here they all three, now who all three? The old woman, the boy and the girl. They tell that old man कि as we helped you in removing this turnip, in pulling this turnip from the ground, we will help you in eating this turnip also. And he also agreed, and happily they had this big enormous turnip. Enormous means बहुत बड़ा. Okay, I hope you all understood this chapter. It's a very nice it's like आप लोगों को पता है, आप लोगों ने radish देखा होगा, then carrots देखे हैं आपने. It is somewhat like that only. Okay, now here this lesson is teaching us, okay, unity. Again this is something related to unity, एकता जिसे हम कहते हैं. यहाँ पे the old man was not able to remove that turnip from the ground alone. वो अकेला नहीं कर पा रहे थे. क्यों? क्योंकि वो बहुत बड़ा था. That fruit was such big. So then an old lady sees him pulling it out from the ground. So she tells the old man कि I will help you in pulling this turnip. But they were not able because वो बहुत बड़ा था. Then the boy helps them out. The boy tells that I will help you in removing this, pulling out this turnip from the ground. But even the three means the old man, the old woman and the boy were not able to pull it out from the ground. And last the girl is passing by. She tells them that I will help you all in pulling out this turnip. And they four of them got together and pulled out that enormous turnip from the ground. Now here the three of them, the old woman जो पहले हेल्प करती है ओल्ड मैन को उस फ्रूट को जमीन से निकालने के लिए, then second is the boy who helps and third is the girl who helps. So ये तीनों कहते हैं कि जैसे हमने आपको इस फ्रूट को जमीन से निकालने में मदद की है, उसी तरह से we will help you in eating this fruit also. And they had that fruit happily. Okay, I hope you all understood this chapter. If you all have got any doubts, any queries, please call me and ask me. Okay, and see that you all also eat leafy vegetables. Leafy vegetables are very good for health. Radish, carrot, you all can have it raw. Radish, carrot तो बेटा कच्चा भी खाया जाता है, तो आप वो भी खा सकते हो. सेहत के लिए बहुत अच्छा होता है. Okay, see that you all read this chapter at least 3 times. Read this chapter. Any doubts, any problems, any queries, you all can call. Okay, thank you so much and have a nice day. Thank you.